Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Myrra, and today we're diving deep into a critical step to make sure that your online course is successful, profitable, and transformational. And that is market research. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to conduct your market research so that you can feel confident about your course idea. Plus, stick around because I've got a free market research template just for you. Let's dive in. Let's begin with market research calls. This is a powerful and amazing way for you to get direct insights from your potential students. First things first, step one is for you to identify and go to the platform or platforms where your students are hanging out or lurking in. This could be LinkedIn, Facebook groups, some Reddit communities or forums, or your social media platforms, or your email list if you have one. Step two is to invite them for a call. So this is where you create a post or personally message other people to invite them to hop on a call with you. Make sure to make it worth their time. An optional thing here for you to do is for you to offer a free lead magnet or a little gift as a thank you for those who are going to hop on a call with you. But if not, you can also offer your expertise. You can say, give personalized advice in the call or coach them through something or strategize with them, but make sure that it doesn't consume so much of your time. So have a limit, set a boundary for your calls. Make it 15-minute market research calls or 30-minute market research calls, and so on. Once there are people who are willing to hop on a call with you, make sure to schedule an appointment with them. So that could be through calendly.com or through your Google Calendar, and you can basically invite them as a guest in the event so that they can get reminders like 1 hour or 30 minutes before the call. This makes sure that there will be less of no-shows for your market research calls. And then step three is to hop on the market research call. This is your golden opportunity to ask your potential students about their challenges or their needs, where they are currently at right now, what are they struggling with, what is their ideal day, what is their desired result in transformation, and what is holding them back from getting to that desired result or transformation. To make it easier for you, here is a list of the questions that you can consider asking in your market research call with your potential students. So pause the video and screenshot this now. Now let's talk about market research surveys. If you want to reach a larger audience quickly, or if you don't have the time to hop on one-on-one market research calls, then this is a way to go. Step one is to create your survey in Google Forms. It's free and it's very easy to use. Step two is to plug in your questions in the survey form. So make sure to keep it short and simple, make the questions conversational, and it doesn't have to be more than 10 questions. And yes, I've got you covered with this one. So if you would like to get a copy of the survey questions template that you can just basically plug and play in your survey form and personalize, make sure that it is personalized to or customized to your course topic, your business, and your tone, then feel free to sign up and get access to the template in the link in the description box below. This template will give you ideas on what you can ask in your survey form. Now, step three is to promote your survey. Of course, once you have created your survey, you have to get it out there everywhere you can. Share it with your social media followers, your email list, or your YouTube videos or community tab posts, or even direct message or DM people who match your target student avatar. The key thing to remember here is quality over quantity. You would rather have 10 people or 10 responses that come from your target student avatar versus having hundreds of responses but them not even matching your target student avatar. So again, quality of the responses versus quantity. And again, don't forget to download the free survey questions template in the link in the description box below. Now, here's a pro tip for you. Turn your market research into a pre-launch strategy. This is a great way for you to gauge the demand for your course and make sure that there are already people waiting or eager or interested to buy your course. And how do you do that? Well, at the end of your market research calls or surveys, my suggestion is for you to let your participants know that you're actually conducting this market research because you are planning to create a course on XYZ and that this course will address their pain points or their struggles and will help them solve their problem. So at the end of your calls or your surveys, you can ask them, would you like to be added to the waitlist for this course? If they say yes, then ask permission to get their email and then add those emails in a separate segment in your email list. This way, when your course is ready to launch, you've got an audience that is already eager and interested to buy. And you have also gauged the demand for your course. It doesn't mean everyone who say yes to being in the waitlist will enroll in your course, but this is still a great way for you to measure what the demand is for your online course. And honestly, this is an amazing way for you to boost your confidence in your online course. So friends, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to this channel to get more tips on course creation, kingdom entrepreneurship, and faith-based personal development. And again, don't forget to download your free market research template that is linked in the description box below. Also, if you're a busy expert, author, content creator, or entrepreneur who just want to fast track your course creation and you just want to get your online course done and delegate all of the complicated tasks in the course creation journey, and you just want to focus on recording your course lessons and promoting and marketing your course, then we have just the right offer for you. Check out our Course Creation Done For You Intensive, which is our primary done for you course creation service for our clients. Just go to myrrakate.com/done for you. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and you may consider watching this video next to help you even further in your course creation journey. Keep the faith and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!